A state environmental agency is clashing with landowners at the highest court in Massachusetts. 22 News State House reporter Christine Lee live on Beacon Hill to tell us how concern for animals is at the heart of this dispute.
The law protects wildlife and landowners alike, but landowners accuse a state environmental agency of circumventing the law and stripping them of their property rights. The Supreme Judicial Court heard from landowners who dispute the authority of the state's Division of Fisheries and Wildlife to take their properties for wildlife conservation. Full disclosure, the lead landowner in the case is 22 News General Manager William Pepin.
It is basically a taking of land area for protection of these species, which are arguably not endangered or threatened.
Under the law, the Division of Fisheries must meet high standards to stop landowners from building on land inhabited by endangered or threatened animals. But the division has created regulations that let the state take over land used by species of special concern without providing compensation or a full hearing to landowners.
It's to give the director of the Division of Fisheries and Wildlife power over hundreds of thousands of acres of land without the division spending a dime.
Sir, we're looking for some environmental groups to talk to us. Would you be able to comment on the case, your thoughts? Environmental groups would not comment on the case. Case for us.
Thank you, though.
The attorney for the Division of Fisheries argued the state needs to protect animals and their habitats before they're harmed. He said the division's regulations do give landowners the opportunity to dispute their cases.
I would say if you compare this to many other environmental statutes, there's more due process, there's more steps where a proponent can say, stop, wait, I want to challenge this.
No one from the Division of Fisheries or the Attorney General's office would comment on this ongoing case. On average, it takes 4 months for the Supreme Judicial Court to deliberate on a case, which means a decision could be made by February. Live at the State House, Christine Lee, 22 News.